I learned this recipe at a 5-star restaurant. In a medium pan filled with boiling water, add the pork ribs. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 2 garlic cloves, 1 onion, 2 bay leaves, and let it boil for 15 minutes. In the meantime, take 1 onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and 1 bell pepper and slice them into strips, then into small cubes, exactly like this. Now, the meat has taken the necessary liquid and flavors from the water. Transfer the meat to a cutting board, lined with paper towel, and dry it very well. Now cut the ribs one by one. Look how delicious it looks. Then in a skillet over medium heat, add a piece of butter, and put the meat and let it fry for 5 minutes. When you get a brown color on one side, flip on another side, and wait for another 5 minutes. This is the perfect crust. Look how crispy it is. Share this video with your friends, and you will make me happy. Now transfer the meat into a plate. This meat looks perfect. Can you feel the flavor? In the same skillet, pour the onion and fry for 3 minutes. Then pour in the chopped garlic, mix well. Then add the diced bell pepper. Mix it well, then add a can of tomatoes, or any tomato sauce, mix well, and add a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of black pepper. Now we put the meat back to boil in this delicious sauce until it hardens a little. Take this time to share this video, and write in the comments section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and I will make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Don't forget to add a hot pepper if you like spicy food, and for extra flavor add a sprig of rosemary. Now the meat is ready. I can't tell you the smell from the kitchen. It's something extremely delicious. But that's not the end yet. Be patient to find out how we prepare the sauce until the end. Look at how beautiful these pork ribs look. After transferring your meat to a plate, add an egg to this sauce and mix quickly until the egg hardens. Now the sauce is ready. Pour it on the plate next to the pork ribs. Look at how tender this meat is, but the sauce is so delicious that you eat it and cry. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching this video this far. Seriously, no joke. This recipe is super delicious.